Removing the soft top on your 2021-2024 Ford Bronco is a straightforward process that allows for an open-air driving experience. First, park your Bronco on a flat surface and ensure the engine is off. Open all doors and windows, and remove any roof-mounted accessories like light bars. Next, unlatch the header rail by reaching inside and pulling the red release tabs located above the windshield. Lift the rail slightly to disconnect. Then, move to the sides of the vehicle and release the side rails by pulling the release levers near the B-pillars and sliding them rearward. With assistance if needed, lift the soft top panel and fold it accordion style toward the rear, rolling or bunching it into a compact shape. Finally, place the folded top into the rear cargo area. Some owners use a tonneau cover or bag for added protection. No special tools are required. A flathead screwdriver or coin might help with stubborn latches, but it's mostly a hands-on process. Average removal time is about 10 to 15 minutes once you are familiar with the process. To avoid damage, avoid forceful pulling during removal. If you encounter misaligned latches upon reinstallation, which can cause wind noise, lubricate the hinges annually with a silicone-based spray. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse of the removal process. Unfold the top, align the latches, and snap them back into place, ensuring the weather stripping seals properly to prevent leaks. Early 2021 models may have stiffer mechanisms, but Ford improved the weather stripping in later models. If you are having issues due to weather exposure, Ford issued Service Bulletin SB 23-10-20 in 2024 recommending lubrication with a silicone-based spray. For visual guidance, search Ford Bronco Soft Top Removal 2025 on YouTube. For reinstallation, ensure proper alignment to avoid wind noise and leaks. If unsure, seek professional assistance, as improper handling contributes to 10% of warranty claims.